video. But anyways, so you might be wondering, let me grab something, guys, quickly. Yeah, I'm back. You might be wondering, when you want to make your animation stuff, how do you do the stuff so I can't see my floor, you might be wondering. So, if you haven't seen our last episode, we said download Stop Motion Studio, and it was like a tutorial. You can check it out after this video. But you're gonna go to the Stop Motion Studio app. You're gonna quit. You can check out all these videos on my channel, but click a new movie. Like last time, if you haven't seen it, you're going to call it My Name. And then click Create. So, let's grab my symbol and put it here. And you're going to take 1, 2, 3 shots. And then tap on one of the shots and then click Edit. So now you're in this page. Click plus and then add drawing. You're gonna have this. So you tap on the black one and you can change the size of the brush. For now we are gonna do this. And then when you're done, just click the done button. And then when you don't want this whole adding here, you're gonna click the one with the 2 papers for me, it looks like. And then draw it all in. Draw it all in. And now, when you're done with the corners, put the brush size all the way, it will help. And now it's so much faster. Draw it all in. Let me do it fast for you guys here. Take your time. To delete it, click the icon next to the marker where you draw it. Wait guys, I'm having trouble here, wait. Always set it to something different. Let me do it. There we go, we back. Okay, so now when you're done with this, you can always tap on it to delete it. You can always do that. Don't worry, it's all about your timing. Wait. Might look messy right now, but I'm gonna get the brush size. Guys, I'm really so sorry if it takes too long. I'm just making another tutorial for animation. So yeah. When you're done, click the arrow icon and you can do the same thing to all the photos, and that's how you can make the symbol. And look, it's like that now for you. So, you're going to see me here, wait. Yeah. So, what I wanted to say is that's how you can do it. That's how you can do a symbol, the start of your movie. So, have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Bye, have a good day.